After the rains, butterflies have emerged together in huge numbers. As soon as their wings dry out, they will take to the air. Their goal? To find a mate. But how? There may be thousands close by, but the foliage is so thick it's difficult for them to find each other. They have a remarkable solution. They follow rivers upstream and travel to higher ground. The journey can take hours of determined flying. Eventually, they emerge into the only open space there is, the treeless peak of Mount Mabu.